Welcome to another Nick Says Go video, guys. Today, I'm really excited about this right here. I have some new sunglasses from Retrosuperfuture here. This has been one of my favorite eyewear brands for God knows how long, man. I mean, back at least at least back since I was about like 16 or 17 or so. Love these guys. I used to man, just be a big fan. And I finally got my pair in the mail. Ordered these last week. If you see my last video, you know I had LASIK surgery done. So of course, prepare for the LASIK surgery and going out and about, I wanted to go ahead and treat myself to a nice pair of sunglasses, which I did. So let's get started, man. First, even like, I even just appreciate this, man. Even just the basic, like the basic packaging is clean, man. That's just me being a little like design nerd. Or this isn't even anything important, but it's clean. So let's see what we got, man. Let's open this up. All right, so to start, let's take everything out. So this is the cleaning cloth. Let's see if we have any logos or any branding on it. And I'm taking all this stuff out for the very first time, so you guys are seeing this right here with me. And as I expected, if we get a closer look, Retrosuperfuture logo all on the cloth. I'm not even gonna use this cloth, man. It's too nice, man. I don't even want to use it, man. I think I'm just gonna put this up and keep it in the case. This is sick though. Really, really, really cool. I'm not gonna use this cloth. I'm lying, I probably will, but we'll see. And then here, it's just talking about the lenses that they feature, which is also very cool. I love learning about the history of the products, the history of the pieces of the products as well. Everything that goes into the design, into the markup of it, the makeup of it, excuse me. So this is pretty cool to see. Certificate there as well. Yeah, that's awesome, man. Certified only. Right here, we have the actual Retrosuperfuture book. Very clean, very minimal. Let's see if there's anything in here. Yeah, I'm not gonna read all of that, but it's okay. We will put this right back in there. I'll move that to the side. Now the fun part, the most exciting part. Beautiful, beautiful leather case here. Semi-hard, the front is hard. Soft on the back. The logo embossed right here as well. Retrosuperfuture. Nice. Handmade in Italy by Retrosuperfuture. Awesome. Man, this is a good case right here. This is definitely not your little $10 case you get from Lens Crafters or from like the Walmart, you know, the Walmart optometrist. Much, much, much more upgraded case there. And here, whew. Yeah, let's take this out. Oh man, these are nice. These are nice. Retrosuperfuture branding on the side there. Gold trim. I love that gold trim right there. It just gives it like a nice little rich feel. Retrosuperfuture again. On the inside, you have your sizing, of course. This is the America model. America Havana Classic is what I opted for. 52, 18, and 145. Not too big, not too small. Got your Retrosuperfuture on the inside over here. Handmade in Italy. Beautiful tint to the frame as well. These are just nice, man. Beautiful frames here. I'm gonna give y'all some product shots with me wearing them, of course. Oh, I didn't even notice this too. Look at that. Retrosuperfuture right here, if I can get it. There you go. Retrosuperfuture right there. Both sides. Yeah, that's sweet, man. I like that. I like that a lot. I love little small minor details that you don't always notice on the first go round with any kind of product. I'm a big fan of that. Big fan. All right, let me try these bad boys on. See what they got. See what they look like.